Mark Eric for Fuchs Audio Technology. Today we're going to be taking a look at a pedal from the Plush series called the Royal Plush. The Royal Plush is a compressor, but very unique in its design. It uses an actual photocell, just like a studio compressor. It also can be used as a clean, colorless boost. The Royal Plush features true hardwire bypass. It has two controls, volume and bias, or compression. These controls allow you to set your compression from a soft limiting effect to an extremely compressed output at unity or boosted levels. I'm going to demonstrate some of the sounds using a Fender American Stratocaster. The amp I'll be using is the Fuchs Clean Machine. The Royal Plush, another amazing product from Fuchs Audio Technology.